I ain't worth more than the thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put a spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every damn way. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't want
get this thumbnail pit, cause this joint probably going to fall in about 0.2 seconds. So let's do the thumbnail. Okay. Oh! Alright. Oh! Whew. Okay. Let me get my life together. Real quick. Okay. Scissors. How am I going to do unboxing without scissors? Hey yo! It's Gucci Nay Gang and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone, but that's another story for a different day. Anyways, in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of a lot of things that I bought, according to the thumbnail. So, I have accumulated some things, been shopping around, getting different products and tools and stuff, and I just wanted to share it with you guys, of course. So, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So, I got things from a few different places, mainly Amazon, because, you know, Amazon's the plug, you feel me? So, this is what we want to start off with. What I got from Target. And this is not everything I got from Target. I also got a wet brush from Target, but I already used that when I was doing my last wash and go. So, I got a wet brush. That was one of the things that I got. Also from Target, I got this Blueberry Bliss. I don't know if it will focus or not, but this is the Twist and Shout cream I got from there. Did not get these, but I know where these are from. Okay. And I also got the TGIN Buttercream. There we go. The Buttercream. Got that. I also got this Shea Moisture, the protein treatment mask, because I heard this is better than like a regular protein treatment because it's not as harsh but it still gets the job done. And man, it's hot up in here. Hope I don't be sweating bullets by the end of this video because it is hot up in here. So, before we get into the Amazon stuff, I got something from Walmart, so let me unbox this. Is it just me, or like are unboxes like satisfying for some reason? I don't know. I love watching unboxings. So I think I'm gonna start doing more of those on my channel. Let me know if you would like to see that down in the comment section below. Okay. So, I got from Walmart this Cmile Organics Curl Smoothie. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. There we go. So, I got this because I actually got almost the entire pomegranate and honey collection from the anniversary sale from Cmile. So, I got the conditioner, I got the shampoo from Sally's, but that's also another thing I got. I got the shampoo from Sally's. So, I got the conditioner, I have the custard, and I also have the twisting gel, and I have one other thing that I cannot think of right now. But, love those products, so I'm excited to try this. Now to the Amazon stuff. So, let's get right into it. Okay, I know what this is. So, I was looking at videos, and I've never tried this brand, so I'm excited to try it. It's my first time doing anything, trying anything from here. And this is the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In. I'm excited to try this. I've heard amazing things about Camille Rose. Never tried it though. Never. So, super, super excited to try this. And I also have something else from this line, I believe, but we'll see. And next in this bag, I'm not going to undo it, but this is the Main Choice Green Tea and Carrot Deep Conditioning Mask. Or Deep Treatment, whatever you want to call it. So that's what that is. This was like $8, so I said, why not? It's 8 fluid ounces, and this is a lot cheaper than what I've seen throughout the interweb. So I was like, let me just go ahead and cop it and grab it. Excuse me. So I'm good. These next two things have already been unboxed because my mom thought that they were her packages, but they really weren't. So, so here we have, these are both from Amazon, by the way. And I'll try to link everything down below in the description box. If not, your girl might have to start, making an Amazon store for y'all so y'all can get the goods. And I'm going to make another video of where you can find your favorite hair products more affordable and cheaper than it would be on the website. I got y'all. That video is coming. I got y'all. Just bear with me. Okay? Cool. So, the next product I got was the TGIN Twist and Define Cream. I've heard nothing but good things about this, so I'm happy to try it with a twist out. Maybe if it pairs well with some of my gels, a wash and go. But don't quote me on that. So we might just be doing this for a twist out, braid outs and stuff. So just bear with me. I got y'all though. I got y'all. Where did that box go? Right here. Okay. So the next item on the list in this unboxing is the Camille Rose Coconut Water Styling. Well, Style Setter. I think that's what it's called. I'm trying to read backwards. Yeah, Style Setter. So, again, I've heard nothing but good things about this. I'm going to actually open this because I'm not sure if this is like a clear. Oh no. This super. This thick. Super thick. It smells amazing. Oh gosh. So, I'm super excited to try this. I think this can be for twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes and stuff. I'm correct. I don't know. I'm have to do more on this, but I've heard nothing but good things about this, so that's why I got it. Super excited to try it. Like I said, I've never tried any of Camille's Rose products, so I'm happy. Gosh, this feels big. Another Amazon product, as you can see. I'm a Prime girl. Okay, I'm a Prime girl. So, oh, ain't nothing break. We have another Amazon box to unbox. And I know exactly what this is, I think. Ow, my boob. Okay. So, in this box, I have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. I absolutely love this mask. This is one of my favorite masks ever. It makes my hair so soft, so silky. Like, it makes my hair like this is probably one of the best masks that I've ever tried. And I love deep conditioners. And this is one of the best masks I've ever tried. And that's saying something. Another one is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey deep conditioner. I don't know if that will focus or not, but if you don't know what that is, girl, boy, where you been? Where have you been? Okay. Next is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. That's a mouthful, but this is what it looks like. I've never tried this. The only other Main Choice product that I have in my stash that I've actually used is the Orchid Gel, and I love that gel. I used that gel the other day just to slick down my puff. It is amazing. Check that out. So I'm excited to try this 24 karat one. Next is this Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask with coconut extract. It looks like that. So I have actually used the avocado one, which I really do like, so I want to see how this one was going to be. So instead of getting like the big one, I just want to try this small one, and I'm happy that they actually have these because I don't know if I'm going to like it. So this is clutch, and this surprisingly will be enough for all of my hair, and I was shocked when I first used it. So next is the satin pillowcases, because I needed some. Been sleeping on satin scarves and they're getting mad at me, so I did that. Ugh. And there is another layer. Oh no, maybe this is all the box. This another layer? No, this is all the box. Okay. The last and final box of this particular unboxing, because there will be more. Best and believe there will be more. So let's open this thing. Oh, I know exactly what this is. I know exactly what this is. So these are satin scrunchies. I figure these would be good for like when I'm doing my hair and stuff, or like when I just want to have my hair up and I don't feel like actually like playing it up, or when I go to sleep. And the last and final item of this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen, is this new blow dryer that I got. The blow dryer I have currently, it's cracked. And what I do like about this one, it comes with a comb attachment, a diffuser, and this concentrator. I think that's what you call it. A concentrator. Because my old blow dryer just came with a comb attachment, but I feel like, especially when I do my hair late at night, and after I send it to the dryer, and all of my hair is not, dry, I can just take my diffuser or whatever and just make sure that that part is dry. Because I hate going to sleep with wet hair. I try not to do it, but sometimes I kind of have to because I gotta go to work the next morning, most likely. So this is clutch. This is very, very clutch. So I'm excited to try this. Probably when I do my next wash and go, and I do it real late, I will be using this. So please let me know down in the comment section below what you would like to see me try, what products you would like to see me try. If there's any other products that you want me to review. and whatnot. I'm very, very excited about using this stuff. Some stuff I already used before, and a lot of the stuff I haven't. So please let me know if you want to see a video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so that way you are notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching so much. I love you guys. Thank you all for the love and support that you all have given me, and I appreciate you all. Bye, guys.
Lean, drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let it drop.